Let's double check, guys. Just a quick update for Toncoin targets updates with my customer set. So guys, you remember we track this chart on the Gate.io since the listing of Toncoin in November 2021. Ton got a pretty good potential, but basically lost the momentum for upside move to the $10 or even higher. Anyway, Ton performed pretty good one this cycle, around 743%, but of course it's not what people expected for the from Durov token and Telegram. Got something more bigger than this price action for the Ton, just to be honest. And I don't know why, but this stock not performed pretty good one, and this is one of the greatest example. So the product and the service of some project not correlate with the potential of that project, not correlate with the price action of the token of this project. So this is the same story for example, DWDX, where the exchange can work pretty good one, right? But nobody care about a token. And the same story, like everybody use the Telegram, but nobody care about a Ton coin, and that's why we lay down at the bottom like $1.46, 45, around the same accumulation zone what we tracked since this token exists. And you remember this was the top support, consolidation, 27 block, bounce, rejection at 38, drop it down, retest the same zone of accumulation, retest it again 3 times, and go to new all-time high. Retest before the 0 level, and here's was a 1.61 level by FIB. After that, we try and hold the line here, drop it down to 0.5, so consolidate this level, right? And of course, if we skip this Donald Trump dump, and cut almost with a line chart, we still got a potential drop to $1.25 and even 97 cents. Unfortunately, guys, I hope not, of course, but it's possible. It's possible. If we hide, let's take a look here. 975. This is my final take for the Toncoin. If we'll see some crazy returns for this token from now, but it's not some big gains, in percentage. So it's like 583 percentage gains. All right, let's hide this one. Let's take a look, guys, with the local targets. Do we close to the 50% of this week or not? On the Gate, some bad news, but not. Here, 0.5 level by FIB of this week. Candle is $1.31 and 0.561. It's once again, we will join again inside this block of accumulation, $1.13. So, of course, it's a negative scenario. The most crazy scenario, if we drop even on the week of October 10, on the 56 cents, and go into this price discovery zone, because there is no support, nothing, absolutely nothing. So at least healthy correction more, it can be 60%, 16% drop or 25. For example, the positive case, it's not unnecessary. So we should drop and we can hold a line here and start recover back to the highest levels, based on that FIB, the same FIB. Now let's focus, guys, on indicator set. Highly recommended, by the way, go and check the first free video about the Toncoin, what I posted around here and around here. This was the updates, and it was a pure awareness. Time to sell here. Pure awareness, top December 2022 and high in March 2024. Time to sell. Of course, it's not unnecessary, so we should always try catch the exact top, guys. It's a myth, it's utopia about trying cat the knives at the bottom, sell exactly at the top. So just build an average exit, entry, and exit. So that's a key. The main goal is save initial deposit. After that, they increase it. But people chase the crazy returns. So now, on a weekly time frame, it's around the accumulation zone. It's good. It's good. Here was so obvious time to sell based on direction indicator. April 2024, and after that May 2024, and all summer 2024. It was time to sell. All 2025, which is going down, and no signals for accumulation, nothing. Daily accumulation and we form divergence. So I will be not surprised if we form another one leg down and form the three drops and something like this one, like 1, 2, and 3, and recover. When? Have no idea, guys. So just in case, based on the direction indicator, no signals for accumulation. Let's check the market mood indicator, total capitulation on the weekly time frame. Once again, guys, a great example. So never buy when you see some area zone, especially on the weekly time frame or the monthly. Here was a time to buy capitulation zone on June somewhere 3 retest. So you collect the reasons, you collect the arguments why it's okay to buy. So that was a great time to buy. We are what's in zone of accumulation. Highly recommend go and check that video what I posted about a ton capitulation zone on market mood, capitulation on retest of accumulation zone, and boom. This was so obvious time to out. Now we are in the capitulation zone again on a weekly, and finally here only November, December, we are in disbelief on the monthly. So this is how you have to work with the market mode indicator. All this in periods, it was a distribution. So let's double check the money power. By the way, highly recommend you go and check the dashboard, fresh new indicator, what I just released recently. Here, this one. You can add, any time frame for all of these 6 indicators and track it all in one place. So it saves the time, saves the space on your screen. Market mode I showed you. Money power, guys, weekly time frame, no money inflow. Some money inflow was here, like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Money inflow, bounce. Now nothing. So this is how it works. So not all the time when we drop it down to the bottom, we could see the money inflow. So that's the point of the indicators. And we need to wait. So let's add alert money in on weekly time frame. On a daily, of course, maybe some. No, even on a daily, no money inflow. It's kind of weird. Monthly, yes. Some 2 months in a row, somebody accumulates step by step. So some big orders, slowly but surely somebody buying the Toncoin. But keep in mind, guys, the big guys don't care about the time. So they can accumulate, for example, now at $1.50. And after that, after the year, for example, they can sell at $3 and out of that ton. Why at $3? Because they can double their profit. And for retailers, double profit is not a big deal because you invest like 5K, you get like 5K returns in 1 year. Not a good deal, right? But if you accumulate some assets like a ton and you invest 10 million, after the year, you get a 10 million profit and you enjoy your life. You don't need it to see that ton at $10 or $20 or so. You just enjoy with the double X. So that's a big difference, guys, of initial capital. Trade on. Sell, it was also signals to sell, take profit. So it is really important signal. Take profit was in March. Buy, bounce, buy. And I wish to see, of course, reversal move from now. But we can see the final drop and after that only recover move. Daily, sell, jewel, take profit, buy, drop, buy, recommendation, close position, buy, recommendation, close position. Now, nothing. Highly recommend you track by yourself all of this data. And the last one, it's take profit, guys. This is what I don't like. Also, take a look, the buy line retest, it can be like $1.33. Fundamental value of the stock in now 99 cents and 8. Weekly time frame, we so underrated. And the fundamental value of ton now it's $2.16. Buy line $2.91. Take profit $5.81. And the exit line $6.54. Guys, you can add alert and track it every single time. Next time when you trade some asset and you see that token trade way over exit line, the last line, it's time to fix step by step the profit, And when we trade on the fundamental value, it's the same but opposite. Step by step, you can accumulate. So you can just inverse the chart. And for example, at this point, you could open long or short. So if it was a top, we sweep the high. So now the road will be open to this area, like support. So that's the point, guys. Sometimes inverse chart give you the interesting vision of the token. So guys, I hope you like this video. Targets for accumulation I showed you. I hope we will not see these targets, and I hope we will recover back from current prices. Let's add alert to take profit line, so you'll be not so greedy. And maybe I will share this notification in Telegram channel. Everything's totally for free. Highly recommend you go and check other videos, and highly recommend you use this set. Just add alerts and track it. Here's some alerts from previous tokens. If you'd like to trade with my customer, Chris, I will show in this video. Write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.